if you are going to open this one, look at that. Yakult's there, many a lot of stuff, and the butter and the syrup, and the cupcakes there, and even the watermelons living there. Okay. And the other thing is here, the ice maker. So this is the button thing. Is made of buttons thing. You can press it if you press this once a little while. So I'm gonna show you how. And the spinning thing is going to washing the dishes. You can wash the dishes, and you can turn on. Wait. And you can on this one. Right. You can on, and you can off. This is the best part, toothbrush, and many full of toothpaste. And this one is made my sister's cover things. Even my mom never got home. I wish, because my mom stays in the office. I think she's going home on 6 p.m. I guess. So this is the flowers. Many flies on it. And the other thing is orange. Yeah, very nice. A colorful, but my favorite is red. So let's put it here back. Careful. This is the coffee container. You can press the button thing, and there's containers, many fruits. You can put lemons and apples down there, or you can put the grapes there, or bananas, or mangoes or something. Turn on. So let's get down. This is our restaurant. You can do this. 3, 2, 1. See? Because I saw many last night, I saw spider in right there in the wall. This is the toilet, and this is the bathroom.